Bullet sweat.
I'm torn, I'm scarred and worn from a heartless search. I'm burned, I'm far, I swore I wouldn't lose my soul. I yelled, I fought, I shouted for a different way. And all this time, all you wanted was for me to stay. But do you have what it takes to set me free? Do you mean it when you say you can count on me? Count on me.
We are done taking the boat tour, guys. So, okay lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung ma-recommend ko siya. It's quite boring. But we paid the ticket for 150 siya, yung boat. So, just fine. 150 is like around $6. 1 hour yung boat tour. Mas ma-enjoy mo yung lights during evening tour compared sa daytime. Actually, it's now around 10:30 na siya. So, we're gonna grab some dinner kasi hindi pa kami nag-dinner. 10:30 na, guys, ha. Super hungry na kami. Here at Pro Rock sa restaurant ng kaibigan ng husband ko. So, every Sunday they have 40% discount on their steaks, which is so yummy. Ito yung dinner namin, guys. Wrap. Oh my god, it's freaking dark. Hi guys! I don't know if you can see me, bro. Yeah, let me just to cross. We need to find the bridge because we're gonna meet my husband's cousins and his girlfriend. So by the way, it's so really dark, guys. Later na lang. The lights already. So we finally found the bridge. This is the bridge crossing to the island. Yun daw yung island, which is doon yung mga party people. Hi again, guys. We are actually, I'm just gonna tell you that we are now here at Ukraine. Nahiya tuloy ako. Ang daming tao, guys. We are now here at Ukraine. We just got back this week. And now we're gonna meet my husband's cousin. Dito sa parang isla-isla, mga party people over there.
Only customer emails. I needed kilo.
You see that lighting? So we are now here at, I don't know what's the name of this bar.
South Bank of Kyiv.
Entrance here is 200 hryvnia, which is you give this one. 200 for two is like 100 hryvnia each.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then, but the entrance fee will start at 10. So if you come here like a bit earlier, wala sila entrance. So maganda siya dito, guys. We came here like years ago, hindi siya ganito kaganda. Now, it's more like organized. Fun na siya.
Pitch you with that.